Hello YouTubers and YouTuberettes. Today we have peanut butter brownie filled pretzel nuggets. Let's do what it do. Never tried these before. Smells like a brownie. Smells like peanut butter. You can see the little brownie on the inside. The brownie flavor is more subtle than I was expecting. I think I prefer just the regular peanut butter pretzels. Got these from Family Fare. So if you're not familiar with Family Fare, it's Spartan Stores. Well, thank you for snacking with me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And with that said, peace out.